For more than 60 years, Golden Ceramics have been creating the finest handcrafted dental restorations in Australia. Exquisite aesthetic works of art that meet your individual patient needs perfectly, first time, every time. We've earned our reputation for excellence through years of superior support and service and beautiful high-end products.
I'm Simon Donaldson, I'm lead ceramist and general manager of Golden Ceramics. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. We truly are a boutique offering and collaborate closely with you to tailor our premium quality crowns, bridges, implants and prosthetic services specifically for your practice and your patients.
Our technicians in our Brisbane laboratory are true artists and masters of their craft. Highly skilled in the fundamentals of dental technology, clinical restorative techniques and materials sciences, they strive for perfection to create premium pieces that stand the test of time. We're continually refining our methods and approach, using only the most sophisticated techniques in the customised workflow that we've developed based on the latest technology. Robust methodologies and processes are in place to ensure work moves smoothly through our lab. High levels of communication and accurate protocols, plus the use of photography and detailed notes, ensure our products retain the level of quality and excellence our clients demand. Of course, all our products come with a local guarantee, so you can have full confidence in the quality and durability of our work. Because we know our craft inside out, when you work with us, let us take care of every detail. Only ever just a phone call away, we provide expert support and advice on aesthetic dental technology, treatment planning, materials and techniques to ensure the best outcomes for you and your patients.
At Golden Ceramics, our passion for fine dentistry means that we strive for nothing less than perfection. When patients demand the best, and when you want the best in service, best in craftsmanship and the best in technical ability, then come to us.